Hi there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video I'm going to show you an awesome way to organize your photos on the go using BubbleUp's in-app camera. If you're anything like me, you snap photos a lot while you're on the go, and my photo library is an absolute mess. Sometimes I want to take a particular photo and organize a bunch of them in some sort of system. This is where BubbleUp's in-app camera is a super valuable tool. Now check this out. In any BubbleUp folder on your mobile phone, in the top left, you're going to see a camera button. Tap on the camera button and your camera's going to open up. You can take both photos and videos using forward or selfie style lenses to snap to your heart's content. As soon as you're done, you can go ahead and leave BubbleUp or hit the X in the top right hand corner to close the camera, and BubbleUp is going to upload those photos into that particular folder. You can even leave the app and use other apps, and in the background, BubbleUp's going to go ahead and make that upload for you. Are you unsure when this might come in handy? Here's a few use cases. Perhaps you have a business and you need to collect receipts for your accountant. Snap them all and put them in one folder. Or perhaps you're working on a personal budget and you want to keep a track on that. Snap your receipts as you go about your day and save them all in the same folder. How about an upcoming road trip or family vacation? Create a BubbleUp folder and invite your friends and family into it. Show them the camera option. Now everybody can go around the vacation snapping photos to their heart's content, and everyone can see and share them instantly. Or perhaps you're the creative type and you're always seeing inspiration in your everyday life. Create a folder called Inspirations and snap the photos so they all go in one spot. You're basically creating a mood board or an inspiration board as you go about your day. Now here's a pro tip for you. Perhaps the folder you want to save photos in is deep down in your folder hierarchy. It's kind of a pain to go into BubbleUp and go digging into that folder every time you want to snap a photo. Don't do that. Go to the folder and tap the three dots menu and then tap Create Shortcut. Save a shortcut right to your BubbleUp home folder. Now it's right at the top level. Every time you go into BubbleUp, just open that folder, tap the camera, and you're ready to shoot and collect all of your images in that single folder. I hope you find this interesting, and I hope you find it as a really good life hack. My name is Wade Sellers. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more micro tutorial videos, we're putting these out all the time at the BubbleUp YouTube channel, so be sure to hit the subscribe button below. I will see you in the next video. Bye!